Your body reacts like it's facing danger over a song. No tiger, no cliff, no threat. Just sound waves moving through the air, and suddenly your skin tightens, your hair stands up, and a shiver runs down your spine. What is going on? Scientists have a name for this feeling. They call it frisson, a French word that means a sudden thrill. About 2/3 of people feel it. The other third does not, and we will get to why later. To understand chills, we have to rewind millions of years. Long before music, your ancestors had thick body hair like other mammals. When they got cold or scared, tiny muscles pulled each hair upright. Standing hair did two useful things. It trapped a layer of warm air against the skin, and it made the animal look bigger and scarier to predators. A simple, ancient survival trick. Humans lost most of that thick fur, but the tiny muscles stayed. They are called erector pili muscles, and they still try to lift hairs that are no longer there. The result is goosebumps. Goosebumps are controlled by your fight or flight system. When your brain senses something intense, it floods the body with adrenaline, which tells those tiny muscles to fire all at once. Normally, this system turns on for real threats: a loud crash, a snake on the path, a car swerving toward you. So why does a violin solo trigger the same alarm? The answer starts with prediction. Your brain is constantly guessing what sound comes next: a familiar rhythm, a chord that resolves, a word in a sentence. Most of the time, the guess is correct and nothing special happens. But sometimes a song breaks the pattern. A singer holds a note longer than expected. A choir suddenly enters. A quiet song explodes into a chorus. Your prediction was wrong, and your brain pays attention fast. This surprise hits a deep region called the limbic system. It is the emotional core of the brain, the part that processes fear, reward, and memory. It does not stop to ask whether the surprise is dangerous.